is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Well, our weather impact team is tracking severe weather across the country. Yesterday, blizzards and tornadoes hit several Midwest states, and now bomb cyclone conditions expected to slam the Northeast, bringing high winds, ice, and snow. Bradley Blackburn has the latest.
A powerful winter storm blanketed much of the Midwest in a blizzard Sunday, dumping snow and bringing whiteout conditions to roadways.
14-vehicle crash.
Zero visibility and ice caused accidents from Iowa to Michigan to Minnesota, where jackknifed tractor trailers lined snowy highways. The message to drivers: stay off the roads.
We actually had a semi who stopped in the lane, in the traveled lane, because they are having difficulty seeing, which then caused a chain reaction accident.
In central Illinois, a suspected tornado touched down Sunday, scattering debris and damaging buildings, including some that were total losses.
We have people that are losing their homes tonight.
The system is now moving into the Northeast, hitting upstate New York and New England with freezing rain and snowfall.
Parts of New York State could see more than a foot of snow this week. Here in New York City, the problem is a blanket of dense fog that wrapped skyscrapers and slowed air travel.
As you can tell, it's pretty windy out there right now.
At Chicago O'Hare, conditions brought some planes to a stop. There have been thousands of cancellations and delays nationwide over the last few days, with more expected this week. Holiday travelers everywhere are exhausted.
We were supposed to leave last night. Then we got delayed till like 8, and then they canceled it until today.
Out west, snow even capped mountains near Los Angeles after days of atmospheric river-fueled moisture in Southern California. Winter weather from coast to coast, with more on the way. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.
Ooh, did you see that big
yeah.
wave?
And you know what?